Role of software architecture. A software architecture provides a solution that the technical team can create and design for the entire application. A software architecture should have expertise in the following areas: Des- design expertise, expert in software design, including diverse methods and approaches such as object oriented design, event driven design, etc. Lead the development team and coordinate the development efforts for the integrity of the design. Should be able to review design proposals and trade-off among themselves. Number two, domain expertise. Expert on the system being developed and planned for software evaluation. Assist in the requirement investigation process, assuring completeness and consistency. Coordinate the definition of domain model for the system being developed. Technical expertise. Expert on available technologies that helps in the implementation of the system. Coordinate the selection of programming language, framework, platforms, databases, etc. Methodological expertise. Expert on software development methodologies that may be adopted during software development life cycle. Choose the appropriate approaches for development that helps the entire team. Hidden role of software architecture facilitates the technical work among team members and reinforcing the trust relationship in the team. Information specialist who shares knowledge and has vast experience. Protect the team members from external forces that would distract them and bring less value to the project.